Hi, my name is Nathan Gibran,
And my name is Earthly Bellime.
and our project was alcohol consumption and anxiety amongst college students. The presence of alcohol tends to lead to overdrinking, especially at college, parties, and within Greek life activities. Research has shown that 30% of college females and 40% of college males have partaken in five or more drinks in one sitting. The consumption of alcohol can lead to mental impairment, addiction, and anxiety. Due to this relationship, it is crucial to assess if alcohol consumption increases anxiety amongst college students. Our research question was, does alcohol consumption increase anxiety, specifically social anxiety, among college students? Our methods included collecting articles from the sites PubMed and Science Direct. Our inclusion criteria included articles within the time frame of 2010 to 2020 and studies that were done in the US and foreign countries. We also looked at articles that included female and male subjects, and we made sure that these articles included the words alcohol consumption, college students, and anxiety. These articles were peer reviewed and they were academic journals. Our inclusion criteria included alcohol consumption in middle school and high school students and the physical effects of drinking alcohol. After conducting our literature search, we came up with 30 articles, but had to get rid of four out of the 30 articles. We had to get rid of two articles due to the fact that they did not fall in between the time frame from 2010 to 2020, and we had to get rid of another pair of articles due to the fact that they did not focus on the question at hand. Overall, a positive correlation was found between alcohol consumption in college students and anxiety within the articles that we found. Aside from this positive correlation, there were other sub factors that contributed to this positive correlation. These sub factors included gender, underlying motive and issues, social anxiety, and protective strategies. Out of the articles that supported this positive correlation, one of the articles dealt with the subfactor gender, four of the articles dealt with the subfactor underlying motive and issues, 10 of the articles dealt with the subfactor social anxiety, and one of the articles dealt with a subfactor of protective strategies.
So, as Nathan had mentioned, we started off with 30 articles and we ended up using 26. Of those 26, 13 of the articles were concerned with the correlation between alcohol consumption and social anxiety. And as you can see in the graph, two of the articles looked at gender differences, two looked at the roles of protective behavioral strategies underlying the relationship of protective behavior strategies between alcohol consumption and anxiety. Eight examined the roles of underlying motives that were related to anxiety and alcohol consumption. And there was one that looked at the connection between anxiety sensitivity and alcohol consumption in college students. This systemic review looked at the literature between the years 2010 and 2020 to determine if there was a relationship between anxiety in college students and alcohol consumption. So, based on our research, and based on the articles that we've collected, we can tell that, or we can support that there is a relationship between college students' anxiety levels and alcohol consumption. There were some limitations to our research, two specifically. So, the two limitations of this review were that it only looked at the relationship between anxiety and alcohol consumption in college students and omitted high school students and the physical effects of alcohol consumption.